All right, team, huddle up. You've heard the hype, you've seen the highlights, but you're still asking, what the heck is crypto and how do I even start? Well, welcome to Rookie Camp. Today I'm breaking down crypto. No confusing plays, no fancy moves. Just the fundamentals to get you off the bench and into the game. Let's start at the top. What is cryptocurrency? Think of crypto like a new kind of money, but it's 100% digital. No bills, no coins, just code. But here's the twist. There's no bank, no middleman, no coach calling plays. Crypto is decentralized, meaning it runs on a team of computers all over the world. They work together, like players on a team, to keep the system running. Now, you've probably heard of Bitcoin. That's the GOAT, the Michael Jordan of crypto. Then there's Ethereum, more like LeBron, versatile, powerful, still dominating. And after that, there's a whole roster of other players. Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, all bringing something different to the game. So how does it actually work? Meet the blockchain, the playbook of crypto. It's like a giant digital scoreboard. It records every transaction ever made. And once a score goes on the board, you can't change it. Just like a final game score, it's locked in. That's why blockchain is so secure. It's public, and everyone sees the same data. Every time someone sends crypto, a new block gets added to the chain. That block holds the transaction info, gets verified by the network, and then locked in, like sealing a championship jersey in a glass case. Next up, coins versus tokens. Think of coins as players who run their own league. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're coins. They operate on their own blockchains, but tokens, they're like free agents. They play on someone else's field. For example, a token might be built on Ethereum's blockchain, which means it uses Ethereum's network, not its own. So if Bitcoin is the NFL and Ethereum is the NBA, tokens are like star athletes moving across leagues. Still in the game, different structure. Now let's talk about how you join the game. First, you need a wallet. That's your locker room. It's where you store your crypto. You've got two types: hot wallets, connected to the internet, easy to use, but they're like leaving your gear out on the court. Cold wallets, offline and ultra secure, like locking your stuff in a safe. Next, you'll need an exchange. Think of it like draft day. Places like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken let you trade your dollars for crypto. That's how you build your starting lineup. Once you made your picks, move your crypto to your wallet. Protect your assets, just like protecting your playbook. So why does any of this matter? Because crypto is changing the game. It gives people in countries without strong banks a way to store money safely. It powers smart contracts, automatic deals with no middleman needed. It's building the foundation of Web 3, the next generation of the internet, where users, not corporations, own the platform. Right now, crypto is still in pre-season, but the future? It's looking like a championship run. If you made it this far, congrats. You just wrapped up your first crypto scrimmage. You're no longer on the bench. Coming up next, I'll show you how to actually buy your first crypto, avoid rookie mistakes, and maybe even build a portfolio that goes the distance. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Because we've got a full season ahead, and you won't want to miss a play. This is your playbook. This is your team. And now, you're in the game.